Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl D. Just to give you a little backstory, I'm in Colorado, moved here, adjusting to my job, adjusting to like living in a whole new state. If y'all don't know, I'm from Texas, and so this is gonna be my first video of like actually living here. Yeah. We've been playing hockey, we've been like exploring a lot. I actually went to Texas for the first time since I moved here. So yeah, this video is gonna be a lot, and it's gonna be a little bit all over the place because I kind of just vlogged like random days, like, so it kind of doesn't have the best flow, just warning y'all now. But yeah, hope y'all enjoy. I've been home for a while now, just been resting. I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new like. Good morning. I was gonna wash my hair yesterday and decided not to because I want to do a scalp treatment. I'm thinking today I want to do like a long braid though. I got my braiding hair ready. I'm still a little bit sore from the incline. Not terrible, but like I'm definitely still feeling it today. Whenever you have one strand that's like super thick and the other ones aren't, grab hair so you can like make them more even. But do it whenever you're gonna bring this one over so that way it's like natural looking. Like see how you can't even tell? The balayage I did today was so pretty. She loved it. It was like my first true Hispanic client. And when I say that, I mean like dark, thick, coarse hair. Look what I got yesterday. I was literally supposed to get this when I got hired, and I never did, but it's okay. Better late than never. So there's a cape inside. It has a Lifetime logo on it, and 2 more name tags. But his bag is nice too. It's like pretty sturdy. Ya saben, Sunday fun day. Okay, I don't think I've like talked like much about hockey. Like, you know, I practice hockey and I play hockey, like nothing crazy. Like, don't think I'm a good person at it, or like I'm definitely like a very beginner. To make the long story short, we moved out here to Colorado for Nick's job, which he is part of his job is like to be a hockey coach. But I go with him and play because why not, right? Like I like playing sports, and they're actually gonna have an employee game. So that game is gonna be tonight. So I'm excited about that. I'm not excited to drive there though because I'm just gonna drive so slow. Let's go. Bro, this is my first hockey game. I'm kind of nervous, kind of scared. Okay, so I got these knee pads and I got these shin guards. The game is about to start. Got our stuff on. Update. We lost 6-3. Guys, it's official. My flight leaves at 6 a.m. to go to Texas, and I'm so freaking excited. Ya llegamos, hice esta agua de pepino y limón. Y estamos haciendo una carnita asada.
Sepárelo porque vienen dos. ¿Saladita? ¿No? Acá hay salsa, pues. Pues aquí si quiere.
Ahorita voy a comer. Ooh.
If I don't hit it, I'm gonna be so pissed. You better hit it, girl.
Ooh, she did hit it. Period. Oh no.
You died. It wasn't me. It was the egg. No,
It was the egg.
Oh, that was a good one.
Dang.
It besides me. Oh yeah. Dang. My back right there. I was like, it went over. It went over. A little set. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Oh my god. Okay, me and Zila are in the game. Damn! No! They're closer to you. Oh! 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 Double homicide! Yo!
How do you get it so perfectly?
Dang.
Some legs.
Oh! Ah! 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 Yeah!
¿Qué orden ya nomás tengo cerveza?
¡Ah! Yo cómo se me iba a escapar, ¿verdad?
Cuidado acá.
Estaba dormido. ¿Tengo agua para darle mi jugadita?
Retention hearts. Mírala. Ya se cansaron. Vamos a podar mis árboles porque miren mis árboles. Déjense los enseño. Mira, como este se secó. Estos, la verdad no sé ni por qué se secaron. No sé si no les dieron agua, no sé si adentro estuvieron... No sé, miren, este chiquito también se secó. Este chiquito anda más o menos. Okay, let's do it. Good morning. See, my mom and I are gonna make gorditas today though, which I'm excited about that. So much milk. I'm gonna eat first y luego vamos a empezar. Todo por eso. Sí,
Espérenme, espérenme.
a ver, nos esperamos.
Mira, haga la bolita y luego acá en los dedos la extiende.
Las gorditas are done. I do want to see a few people, so I'm trying to see them now. I don't even think I've told y'all the plan. So I flew here. I flew to Dallas from Colorado. My family picked me up. I'm hanging out with them, and then I'm gonna actually ride with my suegra and my husband's brother. I'm gonna ride with them to Lubbock, and Nick's gonna meet me there. And then Nick has a hockey tournament, and we'll be in Lubbock for a few days, and then we're gonna drive back to Colorado. So I don't think I had told y'all the plan yet, so that's the plan. Today was a good day. I got to see a lot of people. I got to make gorditas with my mom, spend the day with her, got my ears pierced. If anybody ever thinks I'm gonna go somewhere and not do hair, they tripping, because every time I go anywhere, I always do hair. I'm about to color my mom's hair. Because pobrecita, she's been doing it by herself since I moved, and we're gonna get her right today. Do y'all remember those problems I was having with my clippers? Like they were cutting people because they were just like cutting too close to the corners. Well, luckily I have lots of clippers here. So I'm gonna take a pair. So I wanna take these. I got a lot of combs. Maybe I'll take this one. This one's nice, it's kind of bigger. Oh, and then I'm also gonna take this pair of shears because I need an extra one of these too. Good old Bridgeport. Guys, my trip is almost over. Well, part one of my trip, because I'm going to Lubbock tomorrow. I got here with 2 bags. I'm leaving with 5. I wish I could take La Shakira. Shorts.
Oh! See how we did that?
Back home. It's a mess back there because all the stuff we took is on the floor. This is what we're working with. Let me show y'all what I got. This dress first. I know it's literally huge, but I'm thinking of bringing the waist in, and it'll be like kind of like oversized but fitted, if that makes sense. Little tank top. And then this dress I thought was really cute too. It's like silky material, so it's like a lot more soft. I'm texting Nick because we have no food, so he's gonna bring home food. Because obviously we left for, I mean, I was gone for a week. Nick was gone like 4 or 5 days, but obviously there's no food left in the fridge. Bag secured, we got the groceries.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah.